In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Draw.io in Notion. We'll start in Notion. Open your browser and head to notion.com. If you're already signed in, great. You can skip ahead. Otherwise, click Login, then choose the Google option to sign in. Pick your Google account and complete the sign-in flow so you land on your workspace. Once you're in, create a place for your diagram. Click Add a Page on the left or from your workspace and give the new page a clear, descriptive name. This will make it easier to organize and find later, especially if you plan to embed multiple diagrams. Now let's prepare the diagram you want to embed. Open a new tab and go to Draw.io, also known as Diagrams.net. Create a new diagram or open an existing one and make your edits until it looks the way you want. When you're ready to embed, go to the top menu, click File, navigate to the Embed options, and choose Notion. This tells Draw.io to generate an embed that's optimized for your Notion page. In the Notion embed panel within Draw.io, click Create. This generates a special link that Notion can understand. Next, click Copy to place that link on your clipboard, and then click OK to close the dialog. Keep that tab handy in case you want to tweak the diagram later. You can always update it in Draw.io and repeat these steps to refresh the embed. Head back to your Notion page. In the body of the page, type the command /embed, just like this. Embed. From the menu that appears, click Embed. You'll see a field asking for a link. Paste the link you copied from Draw.io into that field. Click Embed Link, and Notion will load your diagram as a live, viewable block right on the page. Give it a moment to render. Once it appears, you can refine how it looks by clicking and dragging the edges or corners of the block to resize the diagram. Adjust it to fit your content, wide enough to read comfortably, but not so large that it overwhelms the page. If you're using a full-width layout in Notion, expanding the block can make complex diagrams easier to read. That's it. You signed in to Notion, created a page, prepared your diagram in Draw.io, generated a Notion-friendly embed link, and dropped it into your page with the embed command. With this setup, your documentation stays visual and tidy, and your diagrams live right where your notes and tasks are. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.